Welcome to the 45 Motorola Moto E6i, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So first we should just make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how fast this option is and does it work. So let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we could see, with this simple touch on the scanner, I just unlocked the device successfully without any problems, and just in 1 second. This is good result for the fingerprint. You could try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.